Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for the Mary Poppins of beach totes, you have to check out this one I got from Bodysurf. This was absolutely fabulous to have on a trip that I took to Hawaii recently for a couple different reasons. Number one, I got the extra large bag, so I could fit like a whole grocery bag of food in it when we wanted to take a picnic, in addition to other things like a beach blanket and so much more. Secondly, this is made with ripstop material, so it's really good quality, it repels sand, and it's water resistant. That works great for the beach because even if you're not getting caught in the rain like we did on occasion, there's also salt spray coming off the waves and the ocean, so that helps to keep everything inside the bag dry. It's very lightweight and doesn't take up a lot of room, so it was perfect for putting in my luggage to bring on the trip with me. The pouch actually snaps inside the bag also, and that was nice to have for an extra pocket. This is a definite don't go to the beach without bag. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.